Before you scroll, I need to tell you something important. You can start your own AI business today, and you can try everything for free. Yes, a free trial. No tricks, no tech skills needed. You log in, click a few buttons, and everything is ready for you. Right now, most people are confused about AI, but businesses need it. You can sell this to almost any business. Hair salons, plumbers, car repair shops, massage places, real estate agents, partners, cleaning companies, and so much more. And here's the best part. You get all the tools they need. AI voice callers, reputation management, email marketing, chatbots, website builder, automation tools, everything done for you. You can set this up in minutes. There is no ongoing work, and it basically sells itself because these are real business problems. And you can charge $500 to $3,000 a month for each business you help. Get 3 to 5 clients, and your income changes fast. And yes, there's a free course inside the dashboard that teaches you everything step by step. Modules, how to sell, how to get clients, how to set up AI, how to price services. Look, most people wait too long and then say, I wish I started earlier. Don't be that person. Your AI business is already built. Just start the free trial and try everything yourself. Click the button and start for free today.